we're going to do our second action now.
Okay, well done everyone, give them a big round of applause. Okay, you can take a seat as well. Very good job girls, because usually it takes maybe 4 weeks for some of the kids to learn those two actions. Three, two, one. Right, left. Make sure that you smile, a big smile. 3, 2, 1. Right, left. And then we're going to move our hands in that graceful way that we did at the start. And we're going to make a little circle on the ground. Circle next to our hip. Circle on our heart. And then we're going to reach up and ask God for all His blessings and bring it down upon you before you dance. And then tap behind you. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Very good. Good job, girls. You're doing so well. From the top. Sawi atao. Lengata la olea fo o. Mamali ela faalo alo olea o fo I. Mamali eteo malo. And running. And then tap. 1. Tap.
Ready, boys? Ready. The song's ready. Patria! Go butts! Hey! Hey! Sawi!
Isawi atao.
Thank you to all of the parents and all of the families for coming. I was only probably expecting maybe 40 kids to come, but then I think maybe this is around 60. So it's really nice to spend the night with you. Thank you for making the time. I'm sorry if it was a little bit loud and messy, but that's how it happens with young kids. And I'm glad that they got to learn something. Some of them got to learn the fire technique and also the Siva Samoa. I think they're ready to play now, so we might close up. We're going to take a group photo and then everyone is free to go home.
Everyone say Talofa. 3, 2, 1.
Have a good night. I'll keep you in my prayers and hopefully see you again when I come to the Marshall Islands. Thank you, please. Thank you, Kamala.
Con Duyên chưa? Duyên. Ôi, đúng rồi, tao không mắt tao rồi. What is this? Oh, One Piece. That's not One Piece. That's Naruto. Look over here. 1, 2.
One more here. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Here.
I know if most of us already left. I know Monica.
Okay, look here.